many moms think the only way to prepare a neurodivergent child for travel is to just try it and hope for the best. But that's not just unrealistic, it's unfair to both you and your child. You don't need plane tickets to start preparing. You don't even need to leave your house. You just need a little imagination and a little intentional play. Today, I want to introduce you to a concept that changed everything for me. Practice travel, or pretend travel. It's the gentle art of getting your child familiar with travel routines long before they face them for real. Before you spend any money, before you buy any tickets, any boarding passes, any passports, etc. Pretend first that you're packing a bag. Walk to the car and sit like you're going to the airport. Show them the boarding pass and scan it with a beep sound, either from your mouth or from a sound display. They have different sound devices and even sound memes or whatever they call them that you can use. Set up 2 chairs and pretend it's an airplane row. Make announcements like, "Welcome to flight 123," or "Please buckle your seatbelt and make sure your trays are in the upright position. We're preparing for takeoff." Something like that. It might feel silly at first, of course, but it's not a game. It's neural priming. Children will think it's a game, but that's the idea. You want to make it fun for them. But you're actually building a familiarity in a safe space. Think about it. How many of our kids melt down at the idea of something new? Not because they're bad or spoiled, which is, of course, what society has labeled them as because they have no freaking understanding, but because their brains are wired for predictability, for safety, and for knowing what's coming next. Let me repeat that. They have meltdowns because their brains are wired for predictability, for safety, and for knowing what's coming next. A meltdown is their body's way of responding to the fear of not knowing what's coming next. So when we practice, even in small, playful ways, we give their nervous system a preview. And that preview brings peace to the brain and to the nervous system. Let's be honest, this isn't just for the kids though. It's for us too, right? Because every time you practice, you're reminding yourself, I can do this in baby steps. I don't have to throw my child into a chaotic trip to make progress. We're already starting right here at home. That way it makes it less stressful, less fearful, less frustrating and overwhelming and chaotic and all those other feelings that we get bogged down with, so we just say, forget it. It's too much. This is how families like ours begin. With play, with practice, with pretend, with trial runs, with mock travel and vacations, with compassion and patience. You are not behind. You are not late to the travel game. You're just starting in the smartest possible place. So grab a toy suitcase, print out a fake boarding pass, make airplane noises together, and let that be enough for today. Even journey begins somewhere. Every journey begins somewhere. Yours begins in your living room. This isn't pretend. This is preparation. This is practice for preparation. This is the beginning of something real, something attainable, something life-changing for both you and your child. You're not just helping your child travel one day, or whatever family member that may be, you're helping them believe it's even possible now. It was startling to me to know that over 85% of families with autistic and other neurodivergent diagnosed children don't even bother to travel. It's not even on their radar anymore. Even if it was before, it's just not anymore. It's just too much. This is how to overcome that obstacle, that major obstacle that's keeping you from making lifelong plans. So again, you do this before you purchase anything, before you spend any money. You're going to start doing this today. You practice this every day, you could be ready to travel by the summertime. Wouldn't that be awesome? You don't have to keep missing out on family events and these lifetime memories that you can never get back. Your child will only be this age for this year until the next birthday comes. You can't get those days back. You can't get those months back. You can't get back the years that you've already lost. It's not hopeless. I am here to help. I will put some links in the description box with resources, free resources, minimal priced resources, whatever fits your budget. I'll put links in the description box for any type of budget. And wherever you are in this process, you may not need all of this right now. You just may need the resources to help you start traveling. I will include that down in the description box. But for now, I hope you will consider this. Start practicing at home. Check out the next video that's going to be coming up, and it will give you more ideas of what that looks like practicing at home. And for now, safe practice travels.